1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, switch left hand on top. Back charge 5, 6, 7. We're going to flip sides on 1. Guys are going to hook on 2, 2. And we're going to flick this right hand behind her back as we face her on 3. So now I'm going to do a back charge. Go wrist to wrist with the right hand. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to flick it away. I'm going to throw it away as I catch the left hand behind her back. I'm going to step forward on 1. Now on 2, I'm going to be misdirecting her, bringing the hand down. 2. So we should be pulling away from each other. Now we go in. 3. I'm going to turn to the left. My right hand is asking. 5. So I'm going to connect it. Go over the head. 6. I'm going to start scooping it up. 7. It's going to stay super glued. Palm up. 1. Now I'm going to bring it down. Hammer lock. 2. 3. Switch the hand. 5. We're going to push pull on 6. 7. 7. I'm already starting to get out of the way. So now, guys, we're going to be turning to the left, turning her at the same time on 1. 1. It's going to go over our head. 2. 3. Fingers are going to go down. It's going to go over her head on 5 as we walk around her. 5. 360. 6. 7. Flip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to start with the salsa step. So we're going 1, 2, 3. We're going to stay on this side. I finish the basic. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a stop forward in 1, stop on 2, then turn to the right on 3, give him the left hand on 5, start turning to the right on 6, 7, keep turning right, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do the full turn to the left. So we're going 1, 2, 3, keep turning to the left, 5, 6, 7, come back on, 1, 2, 3, cross body, 5, 6, 7.
What's up, guys? It's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.